Let's learn how to divide the number 450 by 3 using the long division method. Consider the number 4. We know that 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract, we get 1. Now see that 1 is less than 3. That is why we need to bring down this number 5 here. And we know that 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract, we get 0. As 0 is less than 3, so we need to bring down this number 0 here. But see that this is the number 0, so we need to remove one 0. And we know that 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0 again. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 450 divided by 3 is equal to 150. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.